Alright, this is for you guys in automotive. If you can't pull a good vacuum and you believe your system is good, it's your tools. Your tools can also be your vacuum leak. So here, I wish I would have caught this on video because it happens every now and then and I correct them. I was having a problem with my vacuum was shooting up. It was purging up and it wasn't holding, and my gauges were just now losing vacuum. And this would have been a perfect video. I could not pull. I was getting down to like 450 and it would jump up to 480, 450, 480, 450, 480. It kept doing that, and when I turn it off, the vacuum was going up. So do you see what's on my razor blade right here? Do you see this? Do you see the lack of that? Do you see that little rivet right there? I was leaking vacuum down. Do you see how that turns? Let me zoom in there. Right there. Do you see that right there? I was losing vacuum through that little area right there. So what did I do? I took some NYLOG, or like you could use silicone grease, dielectric grease, spark plug glue grease, and I just dabbled it right around there. As soon as I did that, my vacuum started going down and holding steady, and now it's like steadily right about here going one and another. I was having a vacuum leak, and I described this in other videos, right through the shaft there. So now that can go back there, and now I no longer have a vacuum leak. Rocket science, right? Very easy. Know when your tools are giving you the symptoms of what could possibly you think might be a system leak, and that was that right there. That took care of that. The other place you put it, do you see the threads right down in there? You go around 360 degrees with some spark plug glue, boot grease, dielectric grease, that silicone grease right around in there, and when you screw it down, it'll go into the threads, and that's the same one right there. Do you see how that comes? Let me get closer. Sorry, I got another phone camera, but I just haven't programmed it to use it yet. It's still in the brand new box, so you got to put up with some jittery, my camera shaking around. Doesn't have stabilization. But you see how that seals right there? So when you put silicone grease in there or NYLOG, it will seal right there. Then the other place, you see that O-ring in there? That is where it seals. That's the only place it seals. You put a really small amount in there and a little bit, like I showed you in other videos, around the circumference before you put it on, and it will seal any possible vacuum leaks there. So if you could stop the vacuum leak on the inside by that oil ring by some imperfections that you can't see, and if you could stop the vacuum leak that happens here, and you stop the vacuum leak that happens right here, then this part can't cause you leaks anymore, and you've taken that out of the equation as a possibility, because vacuum cannot pull through NYLOG or silicone grease. And I said silicone grease, not caulking silicone. Yeah, go ahead and try to squirt some caulking silicone into your AC system. See how that goes for you. All right, guys, I'll catch you later. This is going steadily down, and my only problem was that little shaft seal right through the rivet, and a little bit of NYLOG took care of it. True Tech Tools, go onto their website, order some. See you guys.